Hi, my name is JP Richards. I'm the founder of Sparkle Mats, and I'm going to help you use your Sparkle Mat. First thing you need to do is make sure it's plugged in, of course, into an outlet. Also that your place has power. And then you want to make sure this junction right here is firmly together, okay? There's no space whatsoever. And you'll know that because there'll be 3 dashes across that the power is actually on in the controller. All right, so you've got your power on. Fantastic, your mat's flat. Now, the next part is you want to turn it on simply by hitting the setter button right there. That's right. And that will turn it on and off, but right now you'll see it's on because there's brackets around it. The next function we want to engage in is the infrared rays. Okay, so the infrared heat, you turn on this right here, the first button, the green light comes on. Now, my suggestion to you is to turn it up all the way to the top. And that's going to be 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. And the reason for that is that's how you're going to get the infrared experience. You're going to have a sauna experience. You're going to have the thermotherapy. By all means, we wrote a great article on thermotherapy on our website, sparklemats.com. Please check it out. It'll share with you all the benefits. Now, you're going to want to do this for at least 20 minutes, and you do want to induce a sweat. Okay, so you're going to want to wear maybe even a heavy blanket or a sweatsuit or a toque, that's Canadian for a winter hat, of course, for 20 minutes to a full hour and get your sweat on to get the benefits of joint relief, muscle relaxation, immune boost. This is my go-to piece when my immune system is low from a late night or having too much sugar or whatever, and work up to a full hour. That's where the research really shows that you're going to get that full immune boost. I can't talk about other health benefits, but they are there, and we wrote that in the article, and we relate it to a book called The Medical Refugee, the 4th treatment for medical refugees. And we have that book online available as well. Do that for 20 minutes or an hour. If you do start sweating, please absolutely drink water, a cup to 4 cups. Otherwise, you'll get a headache or a migraine, and start doing it in intervals. Don't start at the full hour, although I've done that. Start at 20 minutes. Put on your favorite guided meditation. We have a great one called Yoga Nidra. Yes, please download it. It's free. I would love for you to listen to it. I've recorded it. The second part though is if you do want to turn it down from that is just this down button here. The nice temperature I find is 113. My friend Teddy likes it at 130, but 113 is a really good temperature for me. That's my going around. This gives me a bit of warmth and a little relaxation. At the very minimum, you need to put it at 98 degrees. So 98 degrees is homeostasis. That's where your body is an optimal heat level. Okay, I remember it from the band. That dates me a little bit, whatever. For our Canadian friends and British friends, that's 38 degrees Celsius, but 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Please put it at least at that, because otherwise the crystals will pull heat from you, okay, and it'll reduce your temperature. We do not want you to get colder on this mat, okay? Now you'll notice that the green light came off because the mat is at 103 right now. It's because it's already achieved that and wants to maintain it. So once we put it above that temperature, the green light comes back on. Okay, so that's the green lights. And sometimes the green light will come off for the PMF, and that just, it's cycling through, it's fine, it's reached its piece. There's nothing wrong with the controller, it's achieving its piece. Function number 2, second button, red light therapy. Okay, P1 is, you'll see the lights coming on right here. That's 30 minutes. I suggest you do P2, that's 2 hours. There's a high tolerance for red light therapy. Most people have. Again, feel into your own body what you need. Now, the best use of this is skin on skin. You'll see it go through my finger a little bit like a flashlight. You do want it to be skin on skin. So in your underwear, nothing covered. If you want the absolute benefits of red light therapy, which again are pain relief, energizing your body, growth. Man, there's so many benefits to red light therapy. It's an amazing technology. That's why we have it in the mat. So highly encourage you to sit on this with skin to skin. If not, go for the higher dose when you have your shirt on. I do it at work, and I just make sure it's on for the full 2 hour period. The third function is, and this goes off right away, which is our PEMF visualizer, which we'll go over in a second. And we're on P1. P1 is theta. So this is the Zen function and program. Oh, I can just feel it dropping in a little deeper too. So that 4.5 hertz. That's that meditative state. Yeah. Next one up is P2, 7.83 hertz, which is our Mother Earth. That's literally the frequency of the planet. Well, the majority frequency of it. It's main one. And for those of you that want grounding, this is your frequency. Especially if you live in an urban environment like I do most of the time. you want to have some more grounding, you want to be more connected to the earth, this is the frequency to ground you and to feel connected to the earth and to that frequency, and the body just loves it. It's in this beautiful state. It's sort of blissful, but it's in between theta and alpha. The next one is the alpha setting. One up, which is probably what I need the most right now, is alpha. This is our focus state, okay? It also is 10.8 hertz, is where they show PEMF does the most healing for bones, and they've done the most research on the brain around is 10 hertz. We do it at 10.8 hertz because when you add 10 plus 0.8, it equals 9, and 9 is a magical number, but also it's aligned with the resonance of 432 hertz, which is the harmonious resonance of the body, and where they find there's most harmony with the body. The next function is P4, program 4, and that's the sparkle one, which is my favorite. And this is the one I use almost every single day to raise my vibration to this gamma state, to this state of bliss. And they found this by accident. They thought it was noise in the background of the brain. And now they've seen it with Olympic level meditators that have meditated for over 30,000 hours. The ones in the Himalayas, where they live in this state of now. And it's a state of bliss. Okay, so definitely it's a great place to learn from as well. The last function is P5, and that is our delta function. That's when we're sleeping in a deep state of sleep. Even just being on it, I just drop in a little bit, I swear to God. And it's such a deep state of relaxation. But it will make you a little drowsy, okay? So it's a before sleep, or if you sleep on it, you can sleep on it for sure. Definitely sleep on a low temperature if you're doing that. Maybe 98 degrees is probably appropriate, maybe a little above. You don't want to dehydrate yourself or burn yourself. So please keep it at a low temperature. Don't put it on high all night. That's a bad idea. And I'll show you how the visualizer works. So this is on it, one of the coils, and you'll see it jump around just a little bit. So it's just showing that it works. And then we'll drop it down and it's jumping around quite a bit. So this is cycling through every second 4.5 times. And whereas with delta, it's only cycling around almost every once a second. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Great, I trust that was helpful for you. If you need any more support, please email us at love@sparklemats.com. We'll get back to you at least within one business day, sometimes within minutes. We're on top of our emails. The second part of this is we created this awesome user guide. Gosh, we spent like 2 years. We have like a technical designer on it. We have a writer. We're updating this constantly, so you can download the latest version if you want on our website, sparklemats.com. And we've got so much information in here about the technology. Again, the controller is right here if you need it. There's a quick start guide as well. Again, I'm not really a user guide kind of guy. I'm more of a video kind of guy. Run this video again and again, scrub backwards and forwards what you need, but you have the manual on the website, sparklemats.com, or within your thing. Yeah, we give you a gift. Hey, who doesn't like free stuff, right? Yeah, use this QR code, go to the website, get a free gift for giving us feedback. We'd love a 5-star review from you, or sparklemats.com, or for Amazon. It really helps other people hear about the product and know how amazing it is. And lastly, deeply from my heart, thank you so much for getting a sparkle mat for this business, and for yourself and for your family and your loved ones, and maybe for your clients. May it bring you peace and joy and love and healing and energizing and just a new experience in life. Hope to hear from you. If I don't, that's okay too. I wish you extremely well in your life, and thank you for watching this video.